Ignore my heater. It's cold in here and I gotta have heat. My name is Essence Marquecia Marshall. Welcome back if you are a subscriber. And welcome if you've never been here before. Today, I'm going to build a desk. But not just any desk, a vanity. My parents got me a desk and they know that I like to build things and I'm gonna show it to y'all. So this is the box and this is what the vanity looks like. We're gonna put that together. Okay, so first, what I like to do is read the instructions and then open the box and take everything out. Now, I've already done that because this is actually my second take. I opened the box in another video. I opened the box and I deleted it because I didn't like the way my hair looked. Okay, I didn't like the way my hair looked. It was, y'all were not finna see that. So, here's an already pre-opened box for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take out the items and do step 1. Hold on, because I know y'all wanna read it too. Step 1 is to put all the legs on. So we are going to take everything out and do step 1. By the way, you need a screwdriver for this. Okay, so I'm gonna change my socks into these socks that I got for Christmas because it just matched my outfit better. Alright, so these are all the items we're supposed to have in the diagram. Let's set it up. So I have everything together. So now we're gonna go to step 1. Is putting all of the legs on using these screws. And they wrote everything on there for you. Okay, there's some hardware inside right here. It's gonna be 2 screws per leg. I have step 1 done. We have the legs on already now, and so now we're on to step 2, and that's putting the knobs on the drawers and turning this upright. Okay, so now we have it standing upright. There, when we first opened the box, there was a little strip down here that said to not take it off until the vanity was standing up straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that strip off. I like this so far. Okay, so now I need to find my instructions. Screw on the knob. Hold up now. So apparently you put this in the back here, through all the way through, and then you screw on. Oh, okay, so I found the solution. I'm gonna use this wrench right here to hold this while I screw it on there. Okay, so this calls for G, H, and I. H and I. Oh. make sure you know what this is. They typed the word mirror on it. Do y'all see that? Oh! Oh! This is so tight! Oh! Now we gotta do step 4, and that's putting the legs on the stool. We're gonna put 2 screws in per leg, and we're using BCD. Okay, so the chair's done. Now let's clean this up and set it up how I want it. Love it. I absolutely love it. I feel proud of myself. Okay, so I like this as my new recording spot. I'm gonna, of course, decorate this. Well, not decorate it, like, you know, put it to use. Yeah, I am so excited. I love it so much, and I can't wait to do future videos in my little corner right here. So thank y'all for watching. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.
Yeah, yeah. Ever found some fun, you did?